Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix event 4502 WinRAR agent in Windows 11. So first step guys, select R and type RSTRUI and then enter. So guys, this is restore point. So actually I recently deleted my restore point, that's why it's not show. So in your system date wise show all restore points automatically create by Windows. So select old date and next to done and then restart. This is first method. Next, second, click start button to type control panel. Then guys, view by select category, then uninstall program, then view install update. So guys, last two update one by one, try and uninstall, then again restart your system. Okay, then next solutions. Then guys, click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator. So you're giving full permissions. Okay. Then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay. First command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay. And then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have an issue, so WhatsApp me. Number is on banner. Bye.